Music as medicine. It's been used to calm anxious patients. But what about using music to improve brain function or cognition? Therapy that patients could do on their own.
I wanted an app that could allow patients to express their musical ability.
Scientists at the University of Cincinnati developed ARMCAN, active receptive music for cancer patients. Researchers have designed the app for patients to use two ways. First, they can stream music to enjoy the music they love. The app also allows patients to actively participate by making their own music.
So in other words, to have musical tones where you could overlay genres and create your own music track.
Patients will be assigned to a group that either listens to the music or creates the music. They'll do that activity for 15 minutes every day.
So these technologies are sort of in a way helping the rewiring and exercising areas of the brain that normally wouldn't do it.
I'm Marty Salt reporting.